Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Chrome so your bookmarks and settings are safe. This also helps if you need to reinstall. Once done, click the three-dot menu, choose Help, then About Google Chrome to view the current version. Chrome will immediately check for updates. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and local admin rights so the browser can download and install files. If you're on a managed device, confirm policy permissions before proceeding so the update won't be blocked. Once Chrome finds an update, it begins downloading automatically. Allow it to complete. You'll see progress under About. Larger updates can take several minutes depending on connection speed, so be patient. Make sure you don't quit the browser mid-download. Save any open work first. After download finishes, Chrome will prepare the update and prompt you to relaunch. If the update stalls, try disabling extensions temporarily or clear cache and retry. Both steps remove common causes of installation hangs. Click Relaunch to apply the update so Chrome restarts with the new version. This step finalizes installation. After relaunch, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the displayed version matches the update. Make sure your extensions and sync data are functioning. Re-enable any temporarily disabled extensions. If the update fails or Chrome behaves oddly, one key troubleshooting tip is to reinstall Chrome using the offline installer or disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Make sure to keep your profile backed up before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.